amazing superhero transformation into otter animal. Doctor Strange. Form a tornado in the middle of the city with one movement of his hand. Deadpool. Turned into an angry man but still had fun joking around, making everyone laugh and be scared at the same time. Hulk. Grows bigger when angry, now its size rivals a skyscraper. Superman. Fly through the sky while carrying a police car as a superhero-style keychain. Thanos. Use the Infinity Gauntlet to create a giant pizza in the middle of the road. Captain America. Use the shield to play frisbee with the cars on the road. Spider-Man. Create a giant web that involves the entire city, from one building to another. Wonder Woman. Flying through the sky on his lasso, laughing at the chaos below. Ant-Man. Become super small and ride ants, creating invisible chaos. Batman. Using a Batmobile that has been converted into a plane, creating a shadow of darkness in the sky. The Flash. Ran around the city in an instant, leaving everyone with strong winds and tangled hair. Iron Man. Appears in his new armor, chasing the otter with advanced technology. Green Lantern. Create amazing green energy constructions to save the city. Thor. Uses his hammer Mjolnir to control lightning, creating a spectacular light show. Wolverine. Uses his adamantium claws to repair damaged roads. Venom. Attacks buildings with the long floor of its symbiote tongue, creating a terrifying sight. Aquaman. Bringing huge water storms that turn the streets into rivers, making it look like an ocean in the middle of the city. Thank you for accompanying us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. You guys are awesome, and see you in the next video. Stay alive and enjoy exploring the mysterious world of superpowers. See you in the next video.